In atomic structure, the smallest particle of any element that is known as atom and smallest particle of substance that is molecules. For 23 gram of sodium that contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 amount of molecules. For that, the total atomic weight contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 amount of molecules, or 1 mole of gas contains same amount of molecules, and 22.4 liters at STP also contains the same amount of molecules. For that, the atomic substance, that smallest substance that is known as molecules, that is two smallest, even smaller than atoms. For element, atom consists proton, neutron, and electrons, that we all read about that. And for the radius of that atoms, or radius of between their cells, that is r is equals to epsilon naught n square h square divided by pi m square, where n means the number of cells, and that rns will be 0.53 angstrom n square, that we can calculate the total distance between their cells. And for velocity, that revolving around the center of that atoms, that velocity would be Vn is equals to 2 square divided by e square divided by 2 epsilon naught ns, that we can calculate the velocity of electrons also. And for the energy, that revolving on the center of that atoms would be En is equals to minus me4 divided by 8 epsilon naught square n square h square, that would be minus 13.6 by n square electron volt, that gives the actual amount of energy. We can calculate by using J.J. Thomson's and that different atomic models. We can evaluate the overall atomic structures by Bohr's atomic model, J.J. Thomson's atomic model. We can calculate the actual amount of radius, velocity, and energy. Every matter consists of molecules, and every element consists of that atom. That's why our universe is composed of matter and energy, and that for any mass, if it is converted to energy, that can release mc square amount of energy. That's why Einstein gives the concept of E is equals to mc square, and the rate of flow of charges electrons is called current. That the current, that is the amount of rate of flow of electrons E by T. That's why atomic structure is important term for all the scientific research, and all for scientific lovers. It is also important part of scientific knowledge and acknowledgements.